Hey everybody, as promised, I am back with part three on how to generate leads for your business. So in the first part, I talked about how to generate leads for your business step by step using paid Facebook advertising. My second video that I made is how you can come up with a irresistible offer that's going to get you a bunch of leads and how to close them. And now we're going to talk about part three, organic leads, how you can get organic leads. That's leads for free that you don't have to pay for. And I want to teach you three basic ways on how to do it. Now, notice I didn't say three only ways, but just three ways that I have done in the past, what I'm doing now, and what's going to continue to work for me in the future. I'm going to teach you the way I did it, and then I'm going to teach you the proper way you're supposed to do it. And so let's get right into it. Now, for me, when I first started, since we're talking about getting business, getting clients, when I first started, I knew that I could generate leads, but my prospects didn't, right? So, what I started doing was I started joining different kinds of groups where my target audience was, and I started adding them as a friend, and I didn't want to bother them by sending them a bunch of messages. Hey, how you doing? In their inbox, their Facebook Messenger, for a few reasons. One, people know when you're not being genuine. And for a person like myself, I don't really like small talk. I don't like for people to ask me how I'm doing because I want people to really want to know how I'm doing and I want to be able to have a genuine conversation. I would much rather someone send me a message and say, "Hey, Darryl, I just want to let you know that this is the product that I have, and I'd like you to check it out because I think you'd benefit from it. Do you have a few minutes?" Then I can say yes or no. So what I started doing was value videos. Now, a value video is when you make a video showcasing your expertise so that people can be helped from it and apply it to their own business if they want. So I started making videos for how to generate leads for barbers, for travel agencies, and much more. By the fifth video, I had people inbox me asking how much it would be to get started, and from there, I took off. And so sometimes that's what you have to do. Now, maybe you don't have a niche or a product to where you can do that, but just think about it. Maybe you do. If you sell baby clothes, maybe you can go into groups where there are new moms or expecting mothers. If you sell some sort of life insurance for nurses, there are groups for nurses. If you are looking for homeowners because you have some sort of product that goes with homeowners that they can finance or they can buy cash, it'll benefit them, you can actually find groups where homeowners actually are right here on Facebook for free. So, but it's your strategy and how you do it. Now, let's talk about something that's really, really important. Let's go over here to my Facebook business page I created about 2 years ago. So when I first started, I wanted to do a lot of stuff with lead generation. And one of those things was to help people quit their job. That's a very big passion of mine, to help people generate so many leads that they quit their job and they can just do their business full time. So I created this, which is Business Starters. Now, what I wasn't ready for is that within the first 2 weeks, I had people that was finding this page and they were messaging me asking how to get started. I actually had to unpublish this page so that people wouldn't message me anymore because I wasn't ready and I was getting everything ready. And so if you have a business, the first thing you want to do is you want to have a Facebook business page. So for instance, I'm supposed to have a Facebook business page that says Business Starters. I'm supposed to have a Instagram page that says Business Starters, and I'm supposed to have a YouTube page that says Business Starters, but I never got that far. Now we're going to talk about some of the things that I have right now where people are contacting me and asking me for my services. Now, again, I told you I'm going to teach you how the proper way that they teach you how to do it, and I'm going to teach you the way I did it and am doing it right now. Now, the proper way is, as I said before, you're supposed to have a Facebook business page, even if you have a Pinterest, a Facebook business page, a Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube channel, all named the same thing. Okay, but this is the way I did it. Is lead generation with Darryl. This is converting solar leads. And this is my YouTube channel. Now, a lot of this stuff isn't even really, it's nothing that's too extravagant, right? I mean, like, I don't even have I don't even have anything in the about section, right? I don't have anything over in the home section, no cover or anything like that. I don't have anything like that. In my converting solar leads page, I only got 56 followers, right? On my lead generation page here, I don't even think I have that many likes. But you know what? I get people that contact me on a monthly basis asking me about my services. So if I had the time, and that's the thing you'll start to notice when you start to get more clients, you have less time to do stuff like this, but you also have a struggle with trying to hire someone. And so I'll talk about that in another video, but let's talk about getting you started. So on this right here, way back when, I guess it wasn't that long ago, but a long time ago, I was making a bunch of videos. Just here's some of my value videos down here. Some of them I unpublish. How to get leads without Facebook or LinkedIn, all this stuff. You see, I was making all these value videos, and people would contact me off of this, and I would get clients off of this, and I wasn't even posting that regularly. And so, same thing here. So, let's talk about Instagram. On this Instagram, I got so many leads you wouldn't even believe it. People wanting to work with me because I was posting my results here, and I don't have a of bunch of fancy stuff on here. I just have a bunch of testimonials. I thought that was kind of cool. And I don't have that many followers, right? And the first thing I thought to myself, this is stupid. How am I going to find some solar salespeople or solar companies on Instagram and get them to work with me? But it worked. It worked, and I started following people. So we're gonna get to that. So without further ado, let's come over here to something I made. So let's say you have a life insurance business, right? Let's say you have a life insurance business, and the product that you chose is a retirement product. Well, that's still a little bit too broad, so you want to niche down just a little bit more, right? So now you have a life insurance product that's a retirement product, but it's only for teachers. Now, it's not really only for teachers, but that's what you're going after, so that's what you're saying. You're saying that you have a retirement product that is for teachers that's going to help them retire. Well, if you want organic traffic, if you want free leads, you want people to contact you about what you have to offer, one of the first things you're going to do is create your YouTube channel. And you don't even have to show your face. I don't show my face on my YouTube channels. I just talk over it and do the presentation like I'm doing right now. So you have a YouTube channel, and you can only make 1 to 2 videos a week. That's okay. They say to make 3 to 5, sometimes 3 to 4. But I've learned that if you make quality content, you really don't have to make that many videos. And so that's just my experience. So you create your YouTube channel and you make how-to videos. So if we were talking about retirement and we're talking about teachers, you know, how to save an extra $5 a week, how to save an extra $6,000 a year, something like that. And you just make value videos that would help them and help them further to want to contact you like you actually know what you're talking about. So you're going to give them examples, right? Give them case studies about how you helped other people achieve their goals, how you helped other people save money and retire and be in a better place. And then you want to talk about the typical demographic problems for the people you're trying to reach. What are the common problems that they face? You want to talk about that, and then you want to give them solutions to it. So then there's Instagram. You can do 3 to 5 posts a week. And Instagram, you want to do stuff like infographics where you put something on a picture that explains something. So if you might do, even you can even do like a cartoon strip of how teachers are saving some money through different kinds of retirement tools and things of that nature. You can do where you post your results like I did. You can do case studies where you do short videos of how you help people. You can give statistics of the likelihood of people retiring and how much money they're going to have, and you can have your own offers. What are you offering them? Maybe you're offering a free retirement kit so that they can start saving, and that'll help you get more appointments, right? So, and you want to start following a bunch of teachers. So you're going to come over here and then you're going to type in teachers. And you'll start to see, hashtag math teacher, hashtag teachers are the best, hashtag no teacher like me, teacher of the world, teacher of the year, teacher of the month. And you'll start to see all these different teachers and you just follow them. And don't be annoying. Don't directly slide in their DMs. You want to make sure that you just provide value, like their pictures, comment, say something nice, and let them contact you from the stuff that you post. That's the reason why you want to do 3 to 5 posts a week, so that they can see you, they can warm up to who you are, and then send you a message. In your Facebook personal page. Now, you already saw my Facebook personal page, and I do a few posts a week. I really want to stop doing it because I'm starting to get too many people contacting me, and I'm starting to have an turn away business, but I just can't help it at this point. I just have to post something that I'm doing or my results or what's going on, or maybe try and do like a motivational message or something like that. Then there's my Facebook business page. There are value posts that you want to do on that. And then there are Facebook groups. You can join Facebook groups. Looking after your target demographic, say something useful in those groups, add people as friends, befriend them, and when they're ready, they'll contact you from the value post that they see on your page. After a while, you'll show people so much value that they can't help but to give you money. And that's the way it really works. And then also the Facebook banner. So this is the Facebook banner. Now, I just did this not too long ago. I was kind of opposed to it because, I don't know, I just didn't like it. There are certain things that you will and will not like about organic marketing, because it's either not really your style so much, but sometimes you do things just to, help your business and to get it done just to look a little bit more professional and make it easier for people to contact you. Now, if I really, really wanted to be bothered, I would put a Calendly link in here, but I don't really have a bunch of time for that stuff nowadays. So what I did was I just put this free YouTube video on here, and I don't even upsell them. I just tell them really how they can do it themselves, and they can go from there, because I was really trying to help people and still am, even with this video. So this is really how it works. If you're consistent at doing this, and that's why other people make a living off of this, because it's great. It's cute when you're first starting it. You got your first few videos. And that's another thing about your YouTube channel. Believe it or not, people will find you. They will. Especially when you start making how-to videos. People will find you. And they'll start asking you a bunch of questions. Matter of fact, let's take a look at something. All right, so this is an example of a value video. So I didn't really care about working with people in the auto detailing niche, but I knew how to generate leads for it. So I made a video teaching people how to do it for free. And in the description box here, I talk about the kind of leads that I know that I can get. And a lot of people say you should niche down and just work with one. Well, I tried that, and every time I try niche down, I get a bunch of people that recommend me in 6 different ways. And if it's a new industry that I know I can generate leads for, but I haven't, it's really fun to me. So I'll just go ahead and take it. But that's my business. That's the way I like to run it. So I just go ahead and let people know that I'm versatile and that I know how to do more than, just auto detailing leads or anything else. So that's it. So hopefully this video helps you, but if I were you, I would just start. Just start it. Start somewhere. Even if you can't do a video once or twice a week, do it once every 2 weeks, but do something. Don't just sit back and do nothing, because the more things, the more activity that you have, I spelled this wrong. The more activity that you have, and the more things that you do, you want to have that traffic so that people start looking more towards your business. And you want to make it easy for them to contact you. Put your phone number, put a website, put a Calendly link so that people can go ahead and contact you. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is really, right now, I probably get somewhere between 15 to 20 leads a week on people that are asking about my services. Not a week, I'm sorry, a month, on how people are asking about my services. But these are typically people that are ready to go too. That's another thing about these organic leads. They've been searching. So when they've been searching and they find you, it's an easier sale because they already know what they want. It's just up to you to provide the value and show them why you are the one that they should be working with. Hope this video finds you well. Hope you loved it. Hope it helps you. Talk to you guys later.